Okay, dedicated to everybody, most especially for the Chinese. Mga Chinese dyan, para sa inyo to. We love you, huh? But I don't know if you love us. You love us, that's very sure. Yeah, Here we go. I shut the sheriff, but I did not shut the deputy. I shut the sheriff, but I did not shut the deputy. All around in my hometown, they're trying to track me down. They want to bring me in guilty for the killing of a deputy. For the life of a deputy. But I said, I shot the sheriff, but I swear it was a self-defense. I shot the sheriff, and they say it's a capital offense. Sheriff John Brown always headed me, but what I don't know. Every time that I found the sick, he said, kill it before it grows nowhere. And he said once again, kill it before it grows nowhere. But I say, oh yeah, I shot the sheriff, but I swear it was a self-defense. I shot the sheriff, but I swear it was a self-defense. Bring a car my way one day, and I started out all the time. All of a sudden, I see Sheriff Bunny aiming to shut me down. So what I did is I ran away. I don't want to fight Bunny. Welcome to Bob Bunny's music and grill. I shot the sheriff, but I did not shot the deputy. I shot the sheriff, but I did not shot the deputy. The princess got rid of me, and what is to be must be. Every day the bucket goes so well, but one day bottom will drop out. Yes, one day, my friends, the bottom will drop out. But I said, I shot the sheriff, but I did not shot the deputy. I shot the sheriff, but I did not shot the deputy. I don't know how to.
Maria Carolina.
What's that?
Ni Maria Carolina, Canada.
Okay.
Ni Maria Carolina.
Carolina of Canada. Welcome to Bambonis! Pag-uwi mo rito sa Pilipinas. Okay, pakisabi dun sa atin sa mga kaibigan mo dyan. Lahat ng iyong mga friends and relatives there, please tell them when they come back to the Philippines or they have the vacation, go directly here at Bambonis. They're waiting for you. Andito ang iyong tatay, andito ang iyong kaibigan, andito ang iyong anak, andito ang iyong, ewan ko kung ano sasabihin. Basta nandito si Noel Rodriguez Marquez from the Philippines. Nag-aantay sa inyo. Okay. Love you all there in Canada. God bless us. God bless you.